So hey guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I got this recently from Booktour. It's a pretty good deal. Okay, so Booktour is an app, a site that where you can buy books at really low prices, and in bulk it's really worth it. Okay, so you'll get more discount when you're buying in bulk. There's almost always you have discounts coming up. Like the first time you buy, if it's over 500, then you get 100 rupee cashback and 100 rupees off. And if you're buying for more than 600 rupees, then you got like they're not going to take any delivery charges, or otherwise you'll have to add 65. So it's better in bulk, right? I'm going to show you what I got from Bookstore recently. It's been a long since I've got this, but like, I've really been trying to contain my curiosity. And so let's see what's inside. They even have like cute gifts, I think, to go with it. So I have to be really careful. And the delivery really took me a lot of time to get to me. Usually I've heard that it comes early and all, but for me it was a bit late. I've been waiting in anticipation. I had been waiting in anticipation for so long. Okay, let's just see what's there. It's well packed, as you can see. It's really well packed. Can you see that? So I've got some really good books. Let's see how it comes out. Okay, I got it out of that, and now we have this beautiful package. Let's see, it's very safe there. Okay, so I've got my bookmark, and oh, I've got a badge too. Wow, that's beautiful. This is nice. Okay, I like this. And you see, I've got some bookmarks too. So, and there's a pretty note there. Hello Farah, there is more treasure in books than in all the pirates loot. Than in all the pirates lost loot and Treasure Island. Okay, it's Walt Disney. They wrote Wait Disney. It's okay. Okay, there is more treasure in books than all the pirate loot in Treasure Island. Thank you so much for all this. So this is my first book. I got this for 70 rupees, and like I've always been wanting to read Murakami's book, Kafka by the Shore. Everything is his books are so famous, and I've just wanted to read his writing. Why is it so famous? So I'll definitely try this. I got this for 70 rupees, and usually the price is almost that range itself, less than 100 to 80, I guess. So it's reasonable. And okay, this one, The Last Anniversary. I just wanted to read a romance book. I wanted to get one for myself by Liane Moriarty, and I got this for rupees 1 second. I got this for rupees 114. The condition, they said it was quite good, and it is quite good. It's a bit old, you can see that, you can appreciate that, but it's readable, and readable books, that's enough, right? That's the best. Okay, so the third book is, okay, I've always been wanting to buy this. Like, I've always been wanting to read this. And can you guess how much I got this for? Like, I got this for 70. Like, that's really awesome. 70 rupees. This is a used book, and you can see it's a bit tattered. But online, if you look, you'll see that the cost is about 280, greater than 280 always, and sometimes even 365 and all. So this is a really good deal for 70 rupees. I just got to read it and like give it to somebody else. Now the next book. Okay, Geisha, Memories of a Geisha. Okay, and then this book also I've been wanting to read, and it cost me 120 rupees. It's in good condition, old but good. And online, the other sides, if you look, you can see that it's almost like 285 and all. So this is good. 120 is a deal. And next one, I've been trying to get all these for low cost. This is also a good help. Like, I don't know what it's about, but I'll update you. It just made me want to buy it. And I got this for 144 rupees. You usually have this for greater than 200 in Amazon and all, but in Bookish and some other sites like this one, you get it for 185 and all, I guess. I got this for 144. So, and the last book is The Picture of Dorian Gray. This is a classic. See, it's a classic. I want to read this. I think it's a thought-provoking read. And I got this for 120 rupees. Usually it's almost close to that range in Amazon. You can get it for 129 or more. And this is a deal, okay? So if you're buying from bookstore, just make sure that you compare the prices, you get the best deals. Just make sure. This is the only new book in the one that I bought. This is the only new book. This is a readable book and see, readable condition. That is a little bit tattered, a little bit torn, but nevertheless good condition. And all these are good books in good condition, like old but good and cheap. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching. So I thought I'd add this, like these are all the prices, what it cost me, and I got 100 rupees off because it's my first buy, and I also got off on delivery.